Good morning and welcome to the session of Learning Success. We are learning success from the book Master Money Sex Power. This book is written 3000 years before by the richest man who ever lived. Today is day 17. We'll read chapter 17, verse 3. Crucible is for silver and the furnace is for gold, but God refines our hearts. Have you ever wondered why bad things happen to us? Now, I have written a book, Why Bad Things Happen to Good People. If you want that book, please be in touch with me. I will send it to you free of cost. But today, let us read why bad things happen to us. What really happens to us when bad things happen to us? Now, the truth of the matter is, Solomon is trying to explain this with the help of refining of silver and gold. Now we have silver ornaments, gold ornaments, which we cherish. It's very extremely expensive. We keep it in the cupboard, we keep it in the bank lockers, we put it on our hands, our ears. Why we do that? Because it is a refined metal. It's a very refined metal. It is shining. It has no impurity, and it is extremely pure, and it can be sold for a great amount of money. Now, how gold becomes gold and silver becomes silver? If you really see gold, when you take gold out of the mud, it looks like mud. That's the truth of it. But when they refine and refine and refine and refine, it becomes so beautifully, it is so lustrous and shining. That happens not in the ordinary temperature. That happens in a very high temperature. The gold is being heated and actually melted. Okay, when you melt the gold, what happens? The impurities just comes out of it. It can be removed very easily. Then the gold can be made into a purer gold. That's what King Solomon is saying. Your furnace is for gold. So your gold is put in the furnace to refine it. So similarly, bad experiences we go through, they become like a furnace for us to be refined. So God naturally allows these type of furnaces for each and everyone. Probably you are going through another furnace, I am going through another experience. So we all are going through furnaces. What? Why? What is the reason for that? The reason for it is to refine our heart. How gold is refined into a pure gold, in the same way, our heart is refined. When we go through these type of discouraging patches or poverty-ridden patches or sick times where we are on the sick bed, what happens is there is a change of heart. People tend to cry. They become very humble. They become very open for correction. At that time, if you say, please say sorry, they will say sorry. It's important that we refine our heart. Let me tell you one thing. How can we go up? See, one thing with man is we always want better equipments, better gadgets, better facility, better opportunity. Everybody wants better things, better facility. That's what we are fighting for. But have you ever thought when you and I will become better? My friends, we always want better phones. Old phones we don't use because it's very slow, very cumbersome. We want the latest gadgets. But let me tell you one thing. Are you becoming better in any way? In what way you have become better? In what way you have become better than last year? Or in what way you are going to become better tomorrow? My friend, Solomon says, God refines your heart. Your heart needs to be refined. Your heart will get refined only when you repent and change. Let me repeat. Your heart will refine only when you repent and change. There is no use if your heart doesn't change. Generally, people don't change. If they have a habit of stealing, Yesterday, they will steal today. They will steal tomorrow. Only if they may not steal under certain circumstances. But given certain circumstances, they will steal. Always it is like that. A liar will always lie. An adulterer will always do adultery. A flirt will always flirt. A robber will always steal. It's always there. But when we refine ourselves in our hearts, I'll tell you something, you will change. A person, when he refines his heart, even if you may be a professional robber, you will change and you will never steal. Even given an opportunity to steal, you will not change. You will not steal. That is called as the change in your heart. It's called refining of hearts. My friends, it is very good to use latest gadgets, but it is better that you and I become better. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you for joining us. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. God bless you.